Science Lab. So if you go to your browser and type edupro.co.zw and select, you are going to be directed to this page. Then go to account and click login. Login is for those who have already obtained their login details. If you haven't, you click register. Then this is the page to enter your login details. Then you click login. You are directed to these pages where if you've got any pending tasks, you are also shown. That's the dashboard. However, for our experiments, you need to go to My Courses. These are the courses that you as a learner are undertaking. Then you select the course that you are taking. I'm going to use chemistry as an example. Then you scroll down to all the simulations that you need in chemistry. So these are all the simulations that we have. Then for conducting the experiment, for example, let us talk about the states of matter. You just click on the experiment that you want. I've selected this one, states of matter. For you to see properly, you can actually adjust to full screen. This is our experiment, and these are our virtual apparatus that we have. I'm sure you can recall that this one is your thermometer for measuring temperature. Your thermometer can be adjusted to degrees Celsius by clicking this drop down menu here so that you can see the changes in degrees Celsius. These ones are our molecules. In this case, they are neon molecules. I can change to argon, I can change them to oxygen or water. Okay. Then this control is for you to add heat or to remove heat. Then you can actually click on phase changes there. The phase changes will give you even more controls. For example, with this pump here, the pump is used to add more molecules there. That's number one. Number two, you've got your pressure gauge there where you can actually monitor the pressure that you have. The pressure can also be manipulated by moving the lead down there. I'm sure the scientists understand that you can even increase the pressure by reducing the area contained in those molecules there. As the pressure increases, I'm sure you can actually observe that your lid will disappear forced by pressure. You can retain the lead there and add more molecules as you want. But basically, as you can check that this experiment has got some objectives that you need to know. As a scientist, number one, you need to observe and classify substance into three states of matter. Remember, we've got solid, we've got liquid and gas. You also need to demonstrate how temperature changes causes state transition. So under this experiment, you heat or you cool your substance. And you are going to observe that we've got melting, we've got freezing, we've got evaporation, and then we've got condensation. You also need to record it accurately during these phase changes, especially the time taken for ice to melt at room temperature. You may also relate the particle theory to microscopic observations. So, in a nutshell, this is what what we had.